One dark and stormy night in Nashville, Tennessee, Elise was drawing on her couch with a warm cup of tea. It's something that she had done many times before, but this time it was different. This time, something miraculous happened.
Hey girl! Elise's world, Elise's world, Elise's world show.
I think I want something sweet for breakfast today.
Please, don't talk to me until the coffee is delivered.
Okay, Grumpelstiltskin. Well, then you can't have any of my super special cinnamon toast made with real cinnamon and real toast.
I'm not listening.
Good morning, Gus.
Morning there, Lacey. What's on the menu for breakfast today?
Well, I woke up wanting something sweet, so I've decided to make my super special, super sweet cinnamon toast.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Oh no, Gus! The bread is moldy!
Just nab it.
How am I going to make my super special cinnamon toast without any real toast?
Hold on. Let me think. Let's see what you got in the cupboard up there.
All I have are these sweet potatoes and black beans.
You got any chocolate chips?
Yeah?
And what about maple syrup?
Yeah?
Oh, hot dog, do you want to make the sweetest, chocolatiest, most delicious brownies you ever had in your life?
Yeah?
All right, let's go.
Okay.
It's a cooking show. Today, I want to make 2 of my delicious recipes for brownies. 2 delicious ways you can make the most mouth-watering, gooey brownies you ever had in your life. And I really mean that.
Hey, maybe we could have a contest. 2 brownies, 1 winner.
Well, I don't know. It's going to be kind of difficult.
I want to be a judge. I want to be a judge.
Oh, I think we all want to be judges for this contest.
I'm telling you, picking the best ain't going to be so easy, but okay. First, we need to preheat Miss Pam to 350 degrees.
I heard my name. Did you say 350, Gussie?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, all right, here we go.
Whoa, actually, wait a minute. Something I forgot. Do you have any cocoa powder by any chance?
Wait. You know those brownies can't be the sweetest without a little bit of me?
Gus?
Buddy, I hate to be the one to tell you this, but you know you ain't the sweetest thing around, right?
Psh, if that's the case, dolphin, why do I get put in, I don't know, everything? I mean, seriously, man, who makes brownies without adding a little bit of the good stuff?
We do.
Hello! I'm finally here. I'm your cousin, silly. Your cousin Santa from the UK. Did you not get my telegram? Well, that is curious, isn't it? What's curious? We're both orange Santas from the same orange Fanta family tree. But for some mysterious reason, I'm the color of the juice of the orange, and you're the color of, well, I don't know. Anyway, that can wait. I am famished. Haven't had a good meal in ages, so I hope your refrigerator is properly stocked. My refrigerator?
The most important element in any brownie concoction is, of course, the chocolatey chocolate chips. Use discretion, though, because not every chip is created equal, if you know what I mean. Then you got the black beans, coconut oil, maple syrup, oats, vanilla, baking soda, salt, and cocoa powder. to stop that blender at one point and give the ninja a little help. Go ahead and add a few more chips, too, and get that puppy going again. All right, now let's get all that goodness there on the cookie sheet and get it spread out real good. And now for the sweet potato brownies.
Sweet potato. Sweet potato.
We got the sweet potatoes. Salt, cocoa powder, baking soda, oat flour, peanut butter, maple syrup, vanilla, and of course, chocolatey chips. And a little bit of help. Now make sure you get it all out there, and then let's sprinkle them up. All right, Miss Pam, you ready?
Yep.
Then let's get cooking. Okay, you ready?
Bring it.
What do you get when you mix black beans, sweet potatoes, dirt, and water?
I don't know, Gus. What do you get?
More black beans and more sweet potatoes.
Okay, I get it. Ha! You're talking about gardening.
First, I plant a seed, then I water it. I put it out in the sun, then I keep on watering it every day, or almost every day. First, I plant a seed, then I water it. I put it out in the sun, then I keep on watering it every day, or almost every day.
All right, now, we need to let them cool off for just a little while. Hold your horses there, you two. We'll all be on Brownie Cloud 9 soon enough. We just need another 15 minutes.
Don't worry, guys. The time will fly by. I promise. They both smell so delicious. I wonder which one's gonna win.
All right, everyone. Have we decided who the winner is? Is it the sweet potato or is it the black bean?
I don't know which one to pick. They're both so delicious. What do y'all think?
Sweet potato. Black beans.
Then that settles it. It's a tie.
It's a tie. It's a
A
tie.
tie!
Elise, you were supposed to bring me coffee like 17 hours ago.
Oh no, Sunshine. I'm sorry. I got so caught up in our contest, I haven't even started the coffee yet.
Hey, Sunshine, you want a brownie? We got sweet potato and black bean.
You guys made breakfast brownies?
Elise's world, Elise's world, Elise's world show.
Next time on Elise's World Show.
First, we need to figure out what movie we're gonna watch.
Ah, that's easy, girl. We gotta watch Tombstone.
What about those of us who prefer sweet things when we watch Cinderella?
Cinderella? That's it. I'm putting my pen down. And that's why to this day, everyone back home calls me Spikes.
That's wild.
So you're trying to tell me that there is absolutely zero butter in movie theater butter popcorn?
Has it started yet? No, not yet. They're still fighting over which movie to watch.
It's okay, girl. We'll figure it out together. Do a little deducing.